Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Messages notification problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down and go to notification setting. Now tap on app notification. From here search Google Messages. Go to Google Message. From here, make sure your all notification type is enabled and also allow all notification type, lock screen, pop-up and badge. Now go back and follow the second step. Scroll down and go to apps. Tap on apps. Now search Message app. Go to Google Message app. Scroll down and click on Storage. From here, clear cache data from Google Message. Now go back to your home screen and follow the next step. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Google Message. From Google Play Store, update your Google Message app. So follow all of this step to fix Google Message app notification problem.